But yeah, so I'm just.
The Walmart is going to be hiring 150,000 across. You don't know if it's the U.S. or.
Yeah, I don't know if it's US or not.
I don't know if it's Texas or across the U.S.
Yeah, I have no idea. They just said that they're going to be hiring 150,000 people. Oh yeah, they're already. They have flyers out and everything now. Right now. Shoot, they yeah, like normally like 100,000 is heavy for us. One day we came in, it was 200,000. But they know we're not going to finish it, so they cut off what we can do. Just keep on rolling over to the next day, and we're just pretty much behind every single day. Maine's, you know Maine's. Oh, Maine's, they have their own warehouse. They deliver to restaurants. There's yeah, and they have their own truck drivers and stuff there. They laid off almost all the people. Like they only been doing like 9,000 cases. And they're pretty much a freezer warehouse like Walmart, but they deliver to restaurants.
Oh, well, there you go. Because they can't do that.
Yeah, they laid off almost all their people.
That's terrible.
And Tables and Kaufman, they laid off they laid off everybody.
Yeah. Well, they can't hold business unless it's to go.
Yeah. That's. Yep, and I feel bad for all the waitresses that work off the tips.
Oh, no, thank God Briggs is not in that position.
Or Ashley.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's a rough time right now for everybody, but all those that, what do they call it, non-essential work.
Yeah, I got a part-time job with GameStop, and they consider themselves they're essential. They consider themselves essential.
Well, people are going to be home. They're going to need something to do, I guess.
Yeah, we've been freaking busy.
You're not at GameStop still, are you?
Yeah, I work part time there.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. So they consider themselves essential.
Oh my God. Someone else on the other side of the highway looked like they set their truck, like a regular pickup truck. But yeah, I worked there part time. I was only working like 2 days a week, like 16 to 18 hours, 2 days a week. And they cut their hours. The hours got cut so bad that I'm only getting 5 hours a week.
Wow.
Because they changed the hour. Because we used to be from 10 to 8, from 10 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock at night. They cut 14 hours a week. Now we open up at 12, close at 8.
Wow. Well,
I'm pretty sure Mom's been pretty busy with Brookshires or wherever's neighborhood market.
Yeah, she's been busy. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I tried to call her yesterday, and didn't get a response. So I don't know.
Yeah.
I was gonna ask you something. Dang it! I hate when my brain just decides it doesn't want to work.
Kids are out of school.
Yeah, I know it. It's a good time for families. I mean, to bond, really.
Yeah. Like they supposedly supposed to go back April 3rd, but that's still up in the air.
Yeah. Wow. What was I gonna ask?
Dad's in Mexico.
He is.
One of Grandma Alma's sisters died.
Oh. Are they gonna be able to get back?
I don't know. I was looking at something online about coming back. They said only you're a U.S. citizen you can come back. You can come back through. And Dad's a U.S. citizen and Brenda's a U.S. citizen.
Yeah.
So I think they said something about as long as you're a U.S. citizen you can come back. But if you're not, they're not letting anybody over. So I think he went down there. I think he went down there before they closed the borders.
And the medical bill, how's it going over there with them?
Oh, Ashley's just going full-time student.
Oh, she's full-time student now. Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know she went working.
Yeah, she went full-time because I think she had like 2 more years before she's done with nursing school. Right now they extended their spring break. Yeah, they extended their spring break. Classes are the actual nursing, like where she does clinicals and stuff, like goes in the field. And she hasn't heard anything back. She'll supposed to hear something March 31st about that, because she's done with her prereqs and stuff like that. All she needs is the actual nursing part of it for 2 years.
So, who did you hear that from about the
Illinois, Wisconsin. His guy, yeah, his family's from Wisconsin.
Oh, his family
And,
is?
yeah, so he's heard about all that stuff up there.
Yeah, that's where they got me going next, but I turned the load down just because I'm out of hours, and I'm going to have to change my ready time. So
Yeah.
I'll probably,
So
they'll find me
so,
somewhere out there.
have you been busy?
In the worst places.
Have you been busy?
Oh, yeah.
That's good though.
Oh, yeah, I mean, right now I'm in a prime position. I mean, unfortunately for the rest of everybody in the economy, I mean, this is definitely job security for me right now.
And for me too, since I work at Walmart distribution.
Yeah, for sure. Wow. We'll just have to, keep me Jesus, just have to keep our family and everybody else in our prayers, and not to falter and be strong. That's strong right now. Just no fear and just armor yourself every day with the Lord.
No, I'm not scared. If I'm gonna get coronavirus, I'm gonna get it. You know.
I got in trouble the other day at the subway. I went inside a truck stop, and of course they shut all the city areas down.
Yeah.
I went into the Cuddle House and ordered a hamburger. I was waiting, and I was just pacing around. It was just kind of all starting. It was all brand new. I just totally forgot. I wasn't even thinking. I was just kind of pacing. Got tired of standing because I'm used to sitting. So my myself went and saw a bench that was up against the wall, and I was like, well, it's just a corner part. I didn't think anything of it. I sat down. Next thing you know, ma'am, our country's, due to our country's crisis, we're not allowed to have anybody sitting in our dining room. We'll have to not do that. We'll get fined and they'll close us down. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I got corona, but my bad. I wasn't touching anything, just the piece of the bench, and I was like, oh my gosh, okay, my bad.
Man, neither.
The Bible says 10,000 or 1,000 may fall at your side and 10,000 at your right hand, but with the protection of Him, you ain't got to worry about it. So that's the way I feel.
Yeah, I ain't worried at all.
Yeah, you gotta have faith, but He says He's faithful, so I'm gonna go with what He says He's faithful.
Yeah. Is David working now or?
Oh yeah, he's
Oh man, I went to go get me some ammo the other day from I got a handgun. And I went to go get me some ammo. There was none. Not 9mm. Oh, I got plenty, but I was just yeah. Yeah.
We've got the academy out there, they're totally sold out of guns and ammo, and now everybody's pouring into Atwoods to get the rest of it.
Our academy over there in Terrell is sold out of everything. You should have seen that line that was there. It was crazy. It was crazy.
You know Bebo?
Who?
Where Uncle Jerry lives, that guy that owns the restaurant over there?
Yeah, Bebo, yeah.
Jerry sent me a clip of Bebo being inside of a Walmart. And he's videoing. And it says, man, there ain't nothing here. And he's looking at all the shelves and stocked and gone and everything. I don't know what's going on. I guess they must be moving out or something. There ain't nothing here. And the next thing you know, he's like, hell, I guess I'm gonna go to Bebo's and get me a cheeseburger. He starts advertising. I just thought that was so funny. I'm like, you ain't right, man.
Oh man, he's something else.
He is a mess.
Oh man.
No, go the little peanut planter truck.
Yeah, but Walmart gave us some paper towels and toilet paper for all employees.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, 18 rolls.
Yeah, guess you better count your sheets as you do them.
Yeah.
Rack up the toilet sheets.
Man, I'll go out there with a water hose. Ain't gotta worry about no toilet paper.
Right? Oh my goodness.
Oh man, I'm definitely got the pedestals in me.